Are you tired of following ineffective diets and exercise routines that promise to help you lose weight? Look no further than Night Mega Burner, the ultimate solution for weight loss. In this video, we'll introduce you to this powerful supplement and explain how it can help you achieve your weight loss goals. Welcome to our video about Night Mega Burner, the ultimate solution for weight loss. If you're looking for a safe and effective way to lose weight, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll explain how Night Mega Burner works, and give you all the information you need to decide whether this supplement is right for you. Losing weight is never easy, and many people struggle to shed those extra pounds despite following strict diets and exercise routines. That's where Night Mega Burner comes in. This powerful supplement is designed to help you lose weight by boosting your metabolism, suppressing your appetite, and increasing your energy levels. Unlike other weight loss supplements, Night Mega Burner is formulated to be taken at night, when your body is naturally in a state of rest and repair. This allows the supplement to work its magic while you sleep, helping you wake up feeling refreshed and energized. So, how does Night Mega Burner work? The supplement contains a blend of natural ingredients that work together to support weight loss. These include Garcinia Cambogia. This fruit extract is known for its appetite-suppressing properties, which can help you reduce your calorie intake and stick to your diet. Green tea extract. Green tea contains compounds called catechins, which have been shown to increase metabolism and fat burning. Raspberry ketones. These natural compounds are thought to increase the production of a hormone called adiponectin, which helps regulate metabolism and fat storage. L-Theanine. This amino acid is found in tea leaves and has been shown to reduce stress and improve sleep quality. Melatonin. This hormone is naturally produced by the body and helps regulate sleep-wake cycles. In Night Mega Burner, melatonin is included to help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. These ingredients work together to support weight loss and promote overall health and well-being. Thank you for watching our video about Night Mega Burner, the ultimate solution for weight loss. We hope you found the information helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Remember, with Night Mega Burner, you can achieve your weight loss goals